M0FXB, welcome to my channel. We're going to change our quick save favorites list using the Sentinel software, and I'll provide a link for this software. In the background you can see my Uniden 3600. The other Uniden radios do work in a similar way. Anyway, let's focus on this one here. Very nice set, very pleased with this Uniden 3600. Nice size, slim design, tall, and just enjoyable to use. So normally for your quick save, if I unplug the USB cable a second, get the radio back to scan mode, like so. So normally you would just press hold, like so. Just turn the volume down. You're scanning, you press hold with the bottom knob, and then you can type in 145.600, press enter, then enter again to save that frequency. Then you can give it a name, edit name, enter, and you type in a name. Okay, that's the norm. That's how you do it using the radio. We go back to scanning. Now if we plug in our cable for our computer software, plug it in, and then when it says E, just press E. That's going to give us a connection to our software. You can see the software running in the background here. Then we're going to go scanner, we're going to go read from scanner at the top. If you're connected correctly, you will see that a blue line, or click refresh if you have to, but click OK, and it's just going to read. Click the white box here and then go copy replace. And that's it, you're fully read now. Of course, make a backup of anything you do before you start changing anything. So here we are, you can see our favorites list there on the left hand side. So all you do to edit that favorites list, go to edit at the top left, says edit. Then go down to the second one, which is edit favorites list. And this is your favorites here. And you might have hundreds, or you might have just one. One of them by default is called quick save favorite list. So we're going to click that and we're going to go OK. And that's going to bring up the things that we've already saved. Now it's not coming up straight away. So let's click quick save system underneath here. I noticed there's a bit of a delay on this. There was earlier. There they are. Now these are ones that I've already done, and I'm also enabling the actual alert lights as well. So if you look here on the left, I've got HubNet, and the nice thing about a scanner is you don't have to put in all the transmit and CT, CSS, things like that, because you're only listening. And so if you set it to auto here on the modulation, set them all to auto, then if it's DMR, it will just find it. So let's create a new one. So these are my existing ones. You can see we've got HubNet 434550, and I've given it a light, an alert light here. If you look across to the right there, alert light of white, just click that. Alert pattern, there you are, you can make it flash if you want, and I've selected the color white at the moment. Click OK. Volume offset, you know, if they're a bit loud, you can go up and down and it won't be so loud, or you know, the opposite. I've not learned what number tag is yet, so I need to learn that. And then programming channel on off. So P channel, I don't know what that is, someone tell me. So let's add a new favorite here. So we double click here, put a naming, so we'll go GB3, let's just call it AA for now, and we'll double click here for the frequency 145 dot, let's just go 7750. It's a guess. It probably isn't GB3AA, but anyway, then we leave auto, and then alert light over to the right, and we're going to go, let's just do another red one, and we'll get it flashing. Click OK. Audio options, I've never changed that. Audio type, analog or digital. Well, we've got it on auto, so I'm not that bothered. Service type, well, I'm pretty sure I just turned them all on, but it's showing here custom one. But you can, you know, I could select ham, couldn't I? Because these are all ham ones. And then that would enable you in your settings to then go, if you turn off hams, you won't have to listen to them. You get the idea. Attenuator, let's turn that off. I don't want that on at all. Off. Yeah, they're all off. And delay, you can set the delay before it moves on. If it's quiet, I actually prefer 1 second myself. I wonder if we can select them all. If I just go Control or will it do that? Control A, and then can I select one? Not sure. Alert tone, that'll be a sound that it makes. Like so, if you want it to beep at you when there's a activity. So you get the idea. Once you've done that, then close the window and click Save. Save changes. It saved it. And now just go to Scanner. At the top, over at the top, it says Scanner. Go down to Write to Scanner. And then don't tick Erase Favorites. And then just click OK. And then again, click the little box there and copy replace. Right. So that's in there. It will all be saved. Let's go over to the scanner and see what that looks like in practice. Okay, so at the scanner, we'll unplug the lead. We'll let it boot up. We'll auto boot into scanning. Let's turn on the light. And we're already on the quick save department. Let's just say we only want to scan that. What you would do is go hit the menu, which is the bottom one. Turn the top knob to the right. No, actually just push it down. Then turn it to the right. Select list to monitor. Let's select them all off first. Select all lists off. So you're turning right, pushing down. They're all off. Then we'll click one back, select list to monitor. And you don't have to do this. You can still monitor all of your lists. But if you turn around, go up and down or backwards. And we're going to just select the one that's called Quick Save Favorites to on. Just to make it easier. And then we're going to back out by just pressing System. And it'll go straight to scanning your favorites. Now, see the way the light started flashing? Let's get the volume on. So push down. Get the volume up. And if you want to do your squelch, press F. Then down. There's your squelch level. So a lot of my favorites will be busy. So let's, because it's scanning, it's going to keep finding my hubnet now because that's always busy. We can actually tell it to avoid that if we want, but otherwise just press hold. See the way you've got the alert light on, the tone on that one as well. So now we're just going to scan through. And see we've got the light on as well. GB3WR, S20, GB3WR. And these are all, so it's a lot easier than having to do it on the radio. Because if you do it on the scanner, it's a bit more long-winded, isn't it? So you have to go hold, you type the frequency. Let's just do that one for now. Enter, yes. And then it says, do you want to edit the name? You can set the light on here as well. Go down to alert, you can set the light. When you go back, just press the back button here. So you can definitely do it on the radio, no problem at all. But look, it's a bit long-winded and the typing. Where if you do it using the software, it's quicker. And the other nice thing about some software is you can actually get a nice color screen as well on the PC. And it's even though I'm really pleased with this and the way it looks, when you put it into its nice stand that you get these stands here on eBay. It's almost like a base station. You plug your cable in, you can plug your GPS in, and you can just use it all day long. So I'm very pleased with it. No regrets at all with the Uniden range. And I have been using the Whistler range as well, and also very pleased with that. They tick in a different way, a different way of programming, but the crutch is we're listening to frequencies of all kinds, and we're learning the system that these companies have given us to use. So thanks for watching my channel. Please hit the like and subscribe. 7-3, all the best.